Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, dynamic lock is not working Oregon missing error. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Sign In Options, click Dynamic Lock, check Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Current User, click and expand Software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand Current Version, click and expand WinLogon. Open Enable Goodbye, change value data to 1, close and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.